The future of mobility is here. Ford proudly presents the all-new Puma EV 2025, a revolutionary electric SUV designed to push the boundaries of innovation, sustainability, and performance. This is not just another SUV. It's the next step in Ford's electric evolution. The Puma EV 2025 seamlessly blends cutting-edge design with advanced engineering, creating a vehicle that is as powerful as it is efficient. At first glance, the bold, aerodynamic silhouette commands attention. The aggressive wide-body kit, sculpted lines, and futuristic LED lighting redefine what it means to be a modern SUV. Every curve, every angle has been meticulously crafted to enhance aerodynamics, improve efficiency, and deliver a striking visual appeal. The sleek alloy wheels and muscular stance give it a confident and dynamic presence, whether on city streets or open highways. The metallic silver paint, infused with a multi-layer nano coating, shimmers under the light, enhancing the Puma EV's futuristic aesthetic. The seamless front grille, designed with airflow optimization in mind, allows for better cooling while maintaining a sleek, uninterrupted look. The LED matrix headlights are not only stunning, but also adaptive, adjusting brightness and direction to maximize visibility in any condition. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar creates a signature, instantly recognizable look, while the aerodynamic roof spoiler enhances stability at high speeds. But the Puma EV is more than just looks. Underneath its stunning exterior lies the latest in electric performance technology. Equipped with an advanced next-gen solid-state battery system, the Puma EV delivers instant acceleration, a smooth and silent ride, and a driving range designed to exceed expectations. With rapid charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, making long trips easier than ever. The Dual-Motor AWD configuration ensures exceptional handling and responsiveness, delivering up to 500 horsepower for an electrifying drive. With an intelligent torque distribution system, the Puma EV adapts to different road conditions, offering a dynamic and stable performance whether on wet roads, tight corners, or challenging terrains. The regenerative braking system maximizes efficiency, converting kinetic energy into additional battery power, ensuring that every drive is as sustainable as it is thrilling. Ford has reimagined safety and convenience, equipping the Puma EV 2025 with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 system includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, AI-powered lane-keeping technology, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras with augmented reality parking assist, driver monitoring system that detects fatigue and distraction, autonomous highway driving capabilities. With these intelligent safety features, the Puma EV doesn't just protect its occupants. It also enhances the driving experience, making every journey safer and more intuitive. Sustainability is at the core of the Puma EV. Built with eco-friendly materials and a fully recyclable battery system, this SUV is designed with the future in mind. Ford's commitment to reducing carbon emissions and advancing sustainable mobility is evident in every aspect of the Puma EV's design. The production process has been optimized to reduce waste, using renewable energy sources to power manufacturing plants. The intelligent energy management system optimizes battery usage and efficiency, ensuring that every mile driven contributes to a greener planet. Even the interior materials are made from responsibly sourced, sustainable fibers and plant-based composites. So, whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on long road trips, or simply enjoying the thrill of electric performance, the Puma EV 2025 is ready to take you there. This is more than just a car. It's a revolution, a statement, a new chapter in automotive history. Are you ready to be part of the future? The all-new Ford Puma EV 2025. The road ahead starts here.